Hello, here's a simple trick on how you can trade ticks on boom and crash. Now I'm on my MetaTrader app. This is boom 600. So here's the simple trick. If you see that there is a spike that crosses the whole screen like this one, just be sure that you can trade the ticks. Okay, so meaning if it's on boom, then you can come and place a sell soon after you see this big spike that crosses the whole screen. You see this? So you could have made money on all of these ticks that you're seeing. Okay. Another simple trick as well, if these ticks, all of them, if they just cross the whole of the screen, like now, you can confidently come and place a buy. Okay. I'm placing a buy again. I placed another one. And this trick really works because boom and crash, it's not regulated. This is just some automation. Okay. So there's no holy grail on how you can trade this one, but just have your chart as clear as possible. Don't add any indicators also. Okay, wait while this one is ripening. You can come and check on the other charts. Yeah, you see the same like I indicated here on boom 1000. It spiked all the way, like you see here. It crossed the whole of my screen, and here you could have traded all these ticks. Okay, same applies here. You see here, it spiked all the way to cross my screen, and here you could have traded all these ticks down to here. Okay, so on my time frame, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. That's the time frame that works best with this simple hack that I've just discovered. Let me know in the comment section what's your simple hack to trading boom and crash. I would love to hear from you. All right, we're waiting for it, but definitely this one we're going to catch a serious spike from this. Okay. Yeah, we can come and analyze the other booms and crash. Okay, but wherever you see it having one consistent spike that crosses the whole screen on 1 minute time frame, just know that you can trade the opposite direction. And there we are. We are now in blue. Let's check. We are now in blue. See here. So you can keep on doing the same for this strategy. I can just come and close with my low profits, but this is something that you can do with your account. Thank you, and please do remember to subscribe to this channel for more.